Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and today is a review video. Now, several times a month I get emails from companies asking me to review their products, and sometimes I say yes and sometimes I say no. There's a variety of reasons that I say no. Mostly it's that I can't really stand behind that product, or it's just not right for this channel. So Homerays contacted me a couple of weeks ago and said, hey, would you like to review our product? Here's a picture of it, here's a link. And they didn't really say in the email what it was they wanted me to review, but I opened that picture and you guys, this popped in and I didn't even hesitate. I mean, usually I do a little research, I find out what the company is all about. I really do my research on these things. But you guys, this right here, and I am so excited to get my drawer organized because you guys, it's a mess. Check this out. I took a video a little bit ago of my drawer. I mean, it's not a mess right now because, hello, I just moved here like 4 weeks ago. So it doesn't have time to be a mess because I buy industrial sized cartons of baggies and they don't fit in drawers. So I have to take them out of their packages and shove them in my drawer. And you guys, when I saw this idea, I was all in. Okay, enough talk. Let's open this box, see what it's all about, see if we can get organized, and I'm gonna tell you my honest thoughts about this product. Are you ready for this review? I know I am. Let's go. Okay, this arrived like 3 days ago and I have resisted all temptation not to crack it open and just get to using it because I knew I needed to do a review and I wanted to unbox it and show you everything. But I am truly very excited about this. Ooh, already opening it up, looks very beautiful. I am into that natural wood look, bamboo. I have bamboo things all over my kitchen. Wow, look at that. Wrapped super nicely. Ooh. All right, let's look at the design. That looks pretty nice to me. Now, what do I notice about this? It is all one piece. The craftsmanship is very nice. There's no sharp edges anywhere. Oops, there's a little, oh, there are sticky dots inside, I assume for the back. So let's go ahead and stick on our sticky dots so it doesn't move anywhere. In my drawer, you know, like scrape the drawer back and forth. Oh, that just gives me the willies thinking about it. And it comes with an extra dot in case one doesn't stick. Looks good so far. I can't see any craftsmanship errors, and it is actually really beautiful. There are spaces for the gallon, the quart, the sandwich, and the snack. Now, the only thing that I would recommend for future, maybe they can have an additional one, is if, for instance, they have one without labels or custom labels, that would be kind of fun. Like that would come with little stickies that you can write on it just in case you don't have all of these bags. But you're in luck, I'm in luck. I have all of these bags in my drawer. So let's grab everything from my drawer. So here's my gallon-sized bags, my sandwich bags, and lucky for me, my snack and my quart size did fit inside of my drawer. These ones, however, they were way too big of boxes. They were too tall for my drawers, and my drawers would not shut. So I am very grateful for this. So let's see here. I'm going to assume, because there are no instructions, but you know, I'm pretty good at this figuring life out thing. At least that's what I tell myself. So let's just go ahead and shove our bags inside. Ooh, well that's nice. Maybe I should have, there we go. Nice. Okay, so this is nearly a large, I think there are probably 10, 20 bags taken out. I don't know how many bags this is, unfortunately, but I want to say that this was nearly a whole huge box of bags. So probably 100 bags or so fit in very nicely. I didn't think they were all gonna fit in, so that's actually pretty awesome. Okay, then all of my sandwich ones, we're just gonna shove those guys in as well. So far, this is making me very happy. All right, yes. Yes, all right, and my snack baggies. And this is 200 snack baggies. I'm so confident I'm gonna rip the box. Oh my. Wow. Okay, you guys. I'm pleased. I'm pleased and I haven't even used it yet. You guys, this is pretty cool. I am pretty impressed with this design. Now to see if it fits into the drawer. I'm actually gonna find I wonder if it has the measurements in here. Nope, it doesn't. Let me give you the measurement. All right, we have about 12 inches wide, about 12 and a half inches, maybe is that 13? Nope, 12 and a half inches long and about 3 inches high. That is surely going to fit in my drawer just perfectly. So let's go over to the drawer and find out. All right, and because it has those non-stick slippers, I'm not gonna even put that in there. And then, oh, wow, look at that. Okay, let's check. And then when I want one out, I just take one out. Oops, got too many, stuff them back in, shut the drawer, perfect. Here's another bag, take that one out, maybe that one too. And then maybe I will have this one as well. That is a really clever design. I mean, I know they're probably not the first company to do something like this, but this is the first product that I've tried and I can't complain. Obviously, it's going to stand a test of time. And we're gonna put it in the drawer and we're gonna use it and we're gonna see what kind of wear and tear goes on it. But because it's bamboo, I mean, I have bamboo spoons that I've had for 10 years. I'm pretty sure the design and the material that they used is gonna stand the test of time, and I'm gonna really enjoy having this organization in my drawer because I use bags for a majority of tasks throughout the day. Whether it be organizing craft supplies, storing food, other kinds of stuff, this is gonna come in really handy. So if you have been looking for some organization for your baggie drawer, I encourage you to check out Homerays. I have left a link for the product in the info below, and I do get a little bit of a kickback for you purchasing through my link, so I appreciate you clicking on the link. Otherwise, I am so, even if no one ever purchases through that link, I'm a winner because I received one of these in review for this video. And you guys, 5 stars. I love the design. I love the feel. I love the look. It is a nice product and I am very happy to promote this product for Homerays. So, all right, you guys, well, that's it for me. Did you enjoy that review? If you did, your best flattery is click on that link and get yourself a Homerays organizer. You can also like this video. That helps me a ton. Also, you can share it with your friends. And if you have any ideas for what kind of videos you want to see next or what you'd like me to review. Sometimes I review things without people sending it to me for free because I always love to pass on the knowledge and the love of a product that I find with you. So if you have some ideas for me, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm gonna find my own adventures and I'm gonna promote products that I absolutely think are worth your time and your effort and your hard-earned money. So this is one of them. I'm gonna put it back in my drawer. Actually, I'm gonna stuff these bags back in that I took out. Then I'm gonna get it back in my drawer, and then I will see you on the next adventure. All right, you guys, we'll see you.